I'm living out my dreams, I made them my reality. Now everywhere I go, they say they proud of me. Every function that I hit, they all surrounding me. And you better watch your nigga, cause he clocking me. Been there, did that, had to let them know. Been about this life, this shit ain't for sure.
What's up, y'all? It's me, Monay Marie, back with another video. And I'm about to show y'all how to like meal prep for cheap. It don't take long and it's good for you and it tastes good and all that stuff. So if you are interested, then keep watching. It's really good for I do it because I'm a waitress and sometimes I get off at like 12 o'clock at night or in the morning, midnight, and I don't want to eat McDonald's every night and Taco Bell every night because it's the only thing that be open. And I also, after working all day, don't feel like cooking like a whole meal, so I do this just so I can have something to eat like quick when I get home, and then I can get into bed. And I also like it for when like you're in school, whether it's like high school or college, and you have like time between classes and you want to eat but you don't want to spend money. So yeah, it kind of works out. So yeah, just stay tuned and I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, hit the like button. I'm probably gonna do like more cooking videos with like real food because this is not really like cooking, but yeah, hope you guys like this video. If you do, be sure to give it a big fat thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe. We're on the road to 1,000. And yeah, let's do this. Okay, so like I said before, it's not really cooking. I'm kind of just making like the meats because I'm gonna be making some shrimp and chicken for me to put on top of salad. So I got here a bag of shrimp. I got small so that way it can be like more, because I hate when you have like a salad or Alfredo or anything and it's like 3 shrimp in your whole bowl. So I got the small ones. Plus I didn't plan on lasting me that long. I kind of planned on using it for like a week. And they're already peeled and deveined and they have the tail off. And yeah, they're just like thawing out right now. And then I have a bag of chicken breast. So both of these are like somewhere between like $4 and like $7. And then I had 2 bags of salad. One I already ate, which were like 99 cents a piece. So first I'm just going to wash my chicken and my shrimp, and then I'll show you guys what I do next. Okay, so I have here my washed chicken and shrimp. I don't know if you're supposed to wash shrimp, but I wash them anyway just cause. And I usually use 3 of these because they're like, they be so big, but it was only 4 left and I wasn't about to just leave one in the freezer. So I did like 4, and I like to cut my chicken breasts up when I cook them and when I season them, because I think that it's easier to season when they're like in little pieces and it cooks faster when they're in little pieces. So I'm just about to dice these up and then I'm gonna start seasoning the shrimp and the chicken.
Get the chini out the bottle. Yeah, you a supermodel. Then that ass busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy that medulla oblongata. Get the rubbing on my lap, get the chini out the bottom.
Fuck it up, fuck it up. Pussy good, gon' back it up. Pipe up, I'ma pipe up. Making mine, I done fell in love.
Make that pussy sing. One more time, baby, do it big. Make it cry, come boo-hoo this shit.
Okay, so for my seasoning, I just have salt, pepper, seasonal, garlic powder, obey, parsley, Italian season, oregano, paprika, and hot sauce, because I like to put hot sauce on my shrimp. So I'm just going to season them both at the same time because I kind of put like the same thing in both. I am in no way like a cook, or do I really know how to like actually cook, so I kind of just be winging it. So yeah. Okay, so like I put salt in both. I'm only gonna put obey in the shrimp. I'm only gonna put, wait, another thing I do, I smell like everything I cook with to make sure like if that's what I want to put in there or not. Because I'm not, like I said, I don't know how to cook, so I just be winging it. That in both. I put garlic powder and everything. I just put the chicken. Oh no. Pepper. Paprika. A little bit of seasoning on chicken, a little bit of seasoning on shrimp, and then parsley I put in shrimp and a little bit of chicken. And then I put hot sauce and the shrimp. Okay, so once I'm done seasoning the chicken and the shrimp, I put them both in 2 separate pans because the whole point of this is to be fast. So I cook at I cook them both at the same time instead of like one at a time. And then the pan is on like medium, low medium. For the chicken, I do just butter, and then for the shrimp, I do butter and some parsley. I don't know why I feel like it makes it like taste better that way, but I cooked it before. Like the first time I ever cooked shrimp, I didn't use parsley and it was okay, and then I used parsley and it was right. So then I was just like, all right, I'm just gonna do this from now on. So then I just put the shrimp in. As you can see, the shrimp are like starting to cook a little bit.
Yeah, you supermodel thing. Get that ass busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy, I'ma do la obligado. Get the rubbing on my lap, get the chini out the
If I pull up with a Kerry Washington, that's gonna be an enormous scandal. I could have Naomi Campbell, and still might want me a Stormy Daniels. Sometimes you gotta bag the boss up. I call that taking Corey Gambles. Find yourself up in the food court, you might have to enjoy a sample. All these stats on Chris and Mingle, almost what got Tristan single. If you don't ball like him or Kobe, guaranteed that bitch gonna leave you. Hey, time is extremely valuable, and I prefer to waste it on girls is basic. That's just some yay shit.
Right now, let's do what we want.
Let's have a threesome, you and a blunt. I love your titties cause they prove I could focus on two things at once.
Supermodel thing. Get that ass busting out the bottom. I'ma lose my mind in it. Crazy, I'ma do la obligado. Get the rubbing on my lap, get the chini out the bottom. Get the chini out the bottom.
Let me hit it raw like fuck the outcome. Hey, none of us would be here without come. Hey, if it ain't
Okay, so now that the chicken is done, I just get like a little Ziploc container thing. And I ate chicken for the most part last week, so I put the chicken on the bottom. Don't worry about that little piece that'll fall off. I'm definitely about to eat that. And then I just take like aluminum foil or plastic or something, and I put it over top of the chicken. And then I just take the shrimp and put it on top. I actually already scooped some out off camera.
because I put it on my salad. So yeah, that's why I look like it's only a little teeny baby bit. Plus, I'm about to be off, and I only prepped enough to last me through the next couple of days that I do work. So that's pretty much it. I just take some bagged salad, put my meat on top, mix it up, and then use the dressing of your choice. I like French dressing, so yeah, that's what I did here, and you're done.
Alright, y'all, so that's pretty much it. I like it because, like, in the morning, if I'm going to school or work, I can just scoop some shrimp out or scoop some chicken out, put it on some salad, and like bounce, and I'll be good. And I won't have to eat McDonald's and Taco Bell, and altogether this kind of takes like maybe 30 minutes. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you didn't, I don't care. Just kidding. I care about everyone's opinions so much. Please like me. Make sure you subscribe. Road to 1,000. And alright, peace out.
If you driving round in some dry fit, hey, I'ma think that you the type to dry snitch. If I see you pull up with the 3 stripes, hey, I'ma fuck around and make you my bitch.